Hey guys, how's it going? So real quick, just going to be showing you guys how to set up STS as well as JRE. Now if this is your first time going through the setup process or you're new to Java development, then this video will be how to set up your environment and how to get into writing Java code. And going further in the future, I'll be posting more videos on this channel as a full run through of basically how to go through and how to start coding in Java all the way up to building your first web app. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then stick around and we'll definitely have some stuff on that. If not, if you're just here to set up your environment, then the first thing you're going to want to do is set up JRE, download the one that works for your platform. So depending on what operating system you're using, you're going to be downloading a different one. Once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to go to the STS website and download the one that works with your operating system. Mine is Windows. So go ahead and download that and just open it up in WinRAR, your favorite unzipping tool, and just drag it into your system folder. Next thing you're going to want to do is just, now that you hopefully have your JRE set up, you're gonna want to type java-version. So at this point you should have Java version at least 1.8. If you've set it up in the past, this is something good to look at. You need to have a 1.8, I believe, for STS. So just make sure you have that set up. If this is not working or Java version isn't working, you might have to set up some runtime variables or home variables in your system, and I'll put a link in the description on how to do that. There's an easy guide to go through and get that set up. So if you just go over to STS bundle, open STS. At this point, STS is set up. It should come pre-configured if your JRE is all set up and all that stuff and your variables are working. It's just a matter of choosing a workspace. Your workspace will be for the newer people where your projects will be. So just choose somewhere on your system where you're going to have all your projects. But at this point, if you were just trying to have STS installed, then you've successfully installed STS. If you are interested at all in learning Java, maybe learning how to develop applications, I'm going to be going from all the way as like a beginner where you should know really nothing and making it all the way to where you can develop web apps. And I hope that this will be something useful and interesting for you guys. So if you are interested for that, could you please leave a like down below so more people are able to see the channel. And other than that, guys, I will see you soon. Bye.